Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. Treasury IRS issue guidance on reporting qualified sick and family leave wages paid. IR 2020-144, July 8, 2020, Washington. The Treasury Department and the Internal Revenue Service today provide guidance on Notice 2020-54. There's a PDF link to that here. There'll be a link to this in the description. To employers requiring them to report the amount of qualified sick and family leave wage paid to employees under the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, the FFCRA, on Form W-2. So we're going to alter the W-2. There's going to be a box on the W-2, box 14, for this added information the IRS is now requiring. Not a new box. Actually, box 14 was there before, but there's a new thing that goes in that box. Back to the text. Employers will be required to report these amounts either on Form W-2, box 14, or in a statement provided with the Form W-2. The guidance provides employers with optional language to use in the Form W-2 instructions for employees. The wage amount that the notice requires employers to report on Form W-2 will provide self-employed individuals who are also employees with the information necessary to determine the amount of any sick and family leave equivalent credits they may claim in their self-employed capacities. And so that's going to be the major purpose of this, why the IRS wants the employers to provide this more information. So let's go through that one more time. The wage amount that the notice requires employers to report on Form W-2 will provide self-employed individuals, people who have a Schedule C type of business, self-employed individuals have to report on a Schedule C, and individuals who are also employees with the information necessary to determine the amount of any sick and family leave equivalent credits they may claim in their self-employed capacities. Additional information about tax relief for those affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, there's a link to that here, can be found on the irs.gov website.